Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great weekend. Today's Sunday, Victor with you here from the Forex Boat Trade Academy. As I promised, I will give you an update on the potential downside support of the Euro Australian dollar. Unfortunately, I could not do it on Friday, but we will do it today. The market is currently closed and we will see how it goes in the coming week. So before we get started, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Now, in regards to the downside target for the Euro Australian dollar, basically the idea has been published around this point in time and around the price at 163.90. Currently, you see that the price is below this level and there might be a very strong decline. During the past few weeks, price has been ranging as on most Australian dollar currency pairs. And basically that's the reason we are stuck with these all ideas. This is because there was no trend. So what I would expect, first off, we see that the price still trending down. It's still below the 200 exponential on simple moving average. And we're still expecting the downtrend continuation because lower lows and lower highs are being printed. If we look now on this last wave where the moving averages were almost rejected, I have applied FIBs here and we have level at 159.00 approximately. This is a psychological level. It corresponds to 127.2% Fibonacci retracement. Now, if I go to the weekly chart, here we have applied these FIBs to this last correction, strong correction down before this high has been produced. If we move to the weekly chart, we can see that the support is at 76.4. This is the next support. The first has been at 88.6 and we see that there was a weekly close below this level. So the next one becomes 76.4. Besides, we can see that it corresponds to the 200 simple moving average. And this could happen as soon as the coming week. Price might test the 158.90 or 159 and go up after that. Because we see that this support previously was pretty strong. The price rejected it. It has been acting as a resistance here, then support. Perhaps we will see this acting as the support once again. Nevertheless, I think that the price might spike down and test 158 downside support. This is 100 pips slower. And if we look at the 1 hour chart, this basically would be the support area. It will be important to see if there will be a break below this support or not. If yes, price will go lower, and then we need to see whether price will manage to close on the daily chart below 158. In that case, we might see actually the trend reversal to the upside. So we're done with Euro Australian dollar and I will do a quick run up through all ideas that we had previously. Australian Canadian dollar is moving up as expected. Australian Japanese yen is the same, but more it's kind of more going within the range. It's up and down. There is no clear direction, but I still expect this nearest target to be reached first. Australian Swiss franc also, it's actually continues to range trading and also expecting this target to be reached. Australian New Zealand dollar, one of my favorite ideas for the time being. It still remains above the 200 simple moving average. Price failed to close below the previous low, so remains clearly valid. And I think there will be very strong rally in the coming week. New Zealand Swiss franc continues to range, no big move, but I do expect price to move towards the target. Euro New Zealand dollar also ranging, there is not much happening. The EURGBP, originally we are suggested basically to wait for the break and close below this support, which hasn't happened, but idea might still be valid because it hasn't reached the critical point, which is at 0.9123. So this idea could still reach the target, still could be valid. But as I said, Euro Pound and Pound Swiss franc are the very low priority ideas because we are doing the counter trend suggestion here, and it's always higher risk. And that's what exactly happened on the pound Swiss franc. Price went below, and I said that the idea will be invalidated as soon as there will be 1 hour close below this price, which happens just there. If you missed it, it happened again right there. So there was a close 1 hour close below this level. Idea got invalidated and obviously it went down. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and we're expecting the Euro Australian down, Australian Swiss franc up, and Australian New Zealand up. And these are my top 3 picks. I do like most of them, Euro Australian and Australian Swiss franc. I think this could be quite an interesting one, but obviously price might reverse anytime and we must always be careful. Let's see how it goes. Nothing is guaranteed, but I'm expecting technically it looks pretty good for now. I wish you to have a good rest of the weekend, and we'll speak to you tomorrow on Monday.